Okay, so shall we begin now, ma'am?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the fourth season of Women with Wings under the topic Growing Once Again. My name is Anupam Singh. I'm an Accelera alumnus, an HR professional working with an automotive giant, a public speaker, and a design thinking practitioner. And yes, very surely an active not estate, a council member of Women with Wings. It's my honor to be a moderator for this session, and I'm excited to be hosting this event. I'm pleased to honor our today's speaker, Sujoyata Ghosh, ma'am, actually a team of trio. So before I hand the access to over to Sujoyata ma'am, I would like to extend a warm gratitude to WWW for providing this platform and an opportunity to get connected and showcase the challenges faced by a woman. So, what we believe that every parent want the best of their child. They want to be around them as much as they can, but sometimes the weight of doing two jobs at a time can be overwhelming. So, working parents don't just have to manage their calendars, but also keeping a track of their child's schedule, keep the kids engaged and purposeful, along with managing all the household schools. So, I hand over this further rights over to you, Sujoyta ma'am. What do you think about themselves? And firstly, I would request you to introduce the rest two beautiful sitting next to you.
Okay, so this is my son, Anupam. Thanks for the introduction. My son, Anirjit. We nicknamed him Rohil, so you can call him Rohil. He's 20 years old. And that's my daughter. She's Trina Ghosh. Trina is her formal name, and she's otherwise nicknamed Rusha. So you can choose to call her whatever. She's 15. Hi, everyone. Good to be here. Would you like to
We
introduce
are
yourself?
also, yeah, I request both of you to just give a one line to introduce about yourself, what exactly you are doing, what exactly your preferences to be in terms of the hobbies and what. So we are more interested to know about both of you.
Hi Anupam, I'm Rohil. My official name is Anarjit Ghosh, and I am currently a second year student in Amity University studying journalism and mass communication.
Hello, I'm Trina. You guys already know that. I'm 15, turning 16 this month. I'm in the humanities stream and I'm in 11th grade right now. I also I recently took up crocheting. It's a fantastic hobby and I really like reading. Thank you.
Yeah, Anupam. So, with both of them here, I think what's really important to the platform that we've been here is mainly to say that uh, it's been great as a mother and as a parent growing up once again. And to be honest, the topic really resounded with me very well because I think I have, in these 20 years of mothering him and 15 years of mothering her, I have grown up quite a bit. I still like to think I'm sweet 16 or 18. However, being with them has brought in a lot of change in the bouncy me that I used to be. And along with them, I've also seen a lot of new generation, seeing their friends, seeing them, and it has been a royal ride the last couple of years. I think Anupam has some trouble. So, Rohil, why don't you tell everyone what you think has been your experience of being mothered by somebody like me?
It's a fun experience because I've been taught a lot. I know how to go about life through my mom. She's taught me all I know, and yeah, it's the fact that the topic is growing up once again. I think it resounds pretty well because she has grown up again, another with our generation one more time. She's experienced a lot of new things, and I'm sure she has enjoyed herself as well.
Right.
Yeah, I'm sorry I lost in the middle, I think.
That's a,
Am I audible to
yeah,
all of you?
yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Right. So, ma'am, as I can see, like as we both, I mean, most of the people can see, like the age you have been turning up and the challenges you are facing in day-to-day life, that you are exploring life in your fullest way. I mean, wherever you get the chance. So, do you think that the children are always being try to, get into the parents' shoes, whatever the experience our parents are being dealing with?
Hmm. Yeah, life I think is a challenge, and it would be I'd be a dead person if there were no challenges in life, I'd say, and I think that's life, how life is for everybody. Unless and until you go up and down, you don't move in life, so you'll be static otherwise. That's one. As far as children fitting into the parents' shoes, I don't think that happens these days really, because children have their own persona, and while there are lots of rules regulations that I have tried to create in my household for my children, it is also a fact that they are their own people.
Mm-hmm.
Like Rohil is extremely punctual. I mean, in today's day and age, आजकल ऐसे बच्चे होते नहीं हैं जो टाइमिंग मान के चलते हैं. So he is one of them. और उसी की रिवर्स हमारे घर में रूषा है. रूषा is never on time. So, you
Okay.
know, everything has its own plus and minus. So जैसे हमें पता है कि अगर रूषा को 5 o'clock कहीं जाना है तो हम उसको 4 o'clock का टाइम देते हैं, तो वो
Okay.
शायद 5 o'clock तक तैयार हो जाएगी. Whereas रोहित को अगर 5 बोलोगे तो 5 minutes to 5 पे रेडी रहेगा.
Okay.
So
So this
it's not done.
totally a different, yeah, totally an opposite personalities.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, I would like to know like how you have been exploring your journey till the date you have been dealing with. Like the same question goes to both of the child also. Like as a kid, how they have been turned up. Like, see, this is my experience all over being a journey. Like being a Rusha, if I would like to explain, this question goes to Rusha first. Like being a Rusha, what is the definition stands for? If I would like to express myself, how is my journey and how you mean to be in future?
I Can you explain the question again? I think I got confused in between. Sorry.
Yeah,
हाँ.
I'm just
Sorry.
हाँ, नो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग रशा कि अगर मैं ये पूछूं आपसे कि ओवरऑल जर्नी अभी तक आपकी एज अ किड कैसी रही है, बिकॉज यू आर वॉचिंग योर मदर एवरी डे, लाइफ वैसी नहीं है जैसी आज हम करेंटली देख रहे हैं, फेस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली उनका ऑफिस जाना होता होगा, देन वो वापस आते होंगे, बहुत सारे जो वर्किंग आवर्स का गैप है वो कैसा है इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ टुडेज वर्ल्ड?
Oh, I think in many ways, I mean, of course, Mama's still very protective as a parent, but in many ways, she's also a lot more liberal in some aspects than I would expect her to be. Because, I don't. It's not that I don't expect it, but I mean, it was surprising to me because a couple times I've asked her for things and she's just immediately allowed it, or and then in other aspects, of course, she doesn't let me go out alone at night. All of that, very protective. I don't think the fact that she's working really changes that much between us. Personally, I don't really think so.
Yeah, I think I'll take it up from there. She's absolutely right. Because being a working parent, so I've been on both sides. I have worked throughout till the time the kids were 8 and 3. And when they were 8 years old and 3 years old, respectively, I took a small break for about a year. And that is the time I did a lot of stuff with them, because we wrote books, we went for book shows and book readings and exhibitions, theater, puppetry, puppet shows. So these are things which I felt I would like to expose them to finally be able to pick and choose what they like doing.
Mm-hmm.
So I did try and do that. While I've been a working mom throughout, I am of the opinion that quality time is what a person needs to spend with a child, and
Mm.
fairly being able to balance and do that for quite many years. Once they turned teenagers, things changed a little bit because they didn't want me around too much, you know. So that
Hmm.
time I backed off कि भाई ठीक है मेरे साथ अगर if I'm going to meet a friend of mine and they don't want to come with me, okay, I'd let them be on their own and I won't force them to come with me.
Hmm.
But on the whole, I would say that I've had a very good time with them in the sense that it's not that we don't scream, fight, scold, and I've been a tough mother also. Rohil
Hmm.
and Ruth both will admit that I
Hmm.
have rules, and when when बाकी कुछ नहीं चलता ना तब मैं बोलती हूँ because I'm the mother सुनना पड़ेगा. So that's like
Okay.
a final statement. बट
Okay.
ये फैक्ट है कि इनके साथ इस जनरेशन के साथ ग्रो करने में बहुत इट्स अ डिफरेंट जनरेशन दैट हम थे एज किड्स. तो जैसे
Hmm.
मेरी मदर ने हमें जैसे बड़ा करा
Hmm.
उसके साथ लाइक वी वर नॉट चिल्ड्रन हु वुड कम एंड से ये चाहिए ऐसे ही करना है. दे
Hmm.
डोंट डिमांड स्टफ बट द वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग एंड थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट. दिस जनरेशन
Hmm.
इज वेरी क्लियर ऑन व्हाट दे वांट. हम लोग इतने क्लियर नहीं होते.
Hmm.
And I think we used to be pretty confused even as teenagers, जो इन लोग में उतना नहीं है.
Okay. So there is a huge difference between two generations.
Yeah, yeah.
राइट काफी काफी चेंजेस मैं खुद कह सकती हूँ गिवन एन एग्जांपल लाइक आई कैन सी द डिफरेंसेस इन माय पेरेंट्स एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी फील फॉर एनी थॉट प्रोसेस मैच कई बार नहीं होते हम कई बार उन चीजों को शायद वैसे नहीं एनालाइज कर पाते द वे आवर पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू डू एंड दिस इज वी कॉल जब भी कुछ लड़ाई होती है व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू हैव एन आर्गुमेंट वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से देयर इज अ जनरेशन गैप डैड देयर इज अ जनरेशन गैप this is the
True.
generation gap and this is how we all are dealing with actually this is the time wherein we are learning together and I think how would you narrate ma'am like agar is generation gap ki hum baat karte hain they yes definitely there are the differences so if you want to narrate and conclude these differences in just one or two lines how would you prefer to explain those things.
See, I'll give you an example. My family today consists of my mother and my two children. Because I'm a single mother, I live separately from my husband, and also because my father passed away recently. So, as a result, the family size has really condensed to only my mother and my two children and me. So, I have three generations in the house. It is a little different from regular families, which are nuclear families. So,
Hmm.
my mother and the kids have a very funny, bittersweet relationship. So, mom tries to drive in rules. At the same time, she is also being the nanny, happy nanny, sweet nanny around. And the kids also have similar things. So at times they go and discuss stuff with them which they don't come and tell me. And there are times when both of them they have a secret together, like Rusha and Nani will have a secret, or Rohil and Nani will have a secret together.
Hmm.
So the equation change from time to time. There are some stuff, some things that they will come and talk only to me about.
Hmm. Right.
He may come to me, he may come to me. So
Right.
it's quite interesting, and I think allowing them the space to be able to express is important. I will always say that, and Rohil can, I think, take it up from here to say what
अच्छा
he
बिफोर
thinks.
रोहिल रोहिल इससे पहले कुछ कहे आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क वन थिंग फ्रॉम रोहिल बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो लाइक रोहिल हाउ you understand your mother in two lines how you are going to explain her what do you think.
In two lines. Sounds like an HR question from an interview. I would say courageous and plan oriented and uh, again like me punctual, very punctual.
Punctual.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes Rohil so carry forward from the statement where ma'am ne jahan pe roka what do you think
Uh,
like the statement she continued for.
yeah, so there is a generation gap, but I feel, for example, recently I was thinking that how lucky, like everyone in the world currently is, that this pandemic happened in a time of technology like this. Because if my mother's generation in her time had faced something like this, they wouldn't have been able to keep in touch with each other through anything. Whereas now, my mom, my grandmother, who they can talk to their relatives daily, as they do, as we all do, and as we are having this interview right now, otherwise maybe we would be meeting and having this interview. So I think, yeah, the generations have a huge gap and a difference, but I think everyone adapts to it, and mom and nanny have done that very well.
Okay, so don't you guys are having such fights जहाँ पे ये कहा जाता है कि नहीं ये तो जनरेशन गैप है, ये शायद आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा पर हमें समझ में आता है,
मोस्टली नानी के साथ, मॉम के साथ उतना नहीं।
होता है।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा।
Okay, so one more thing to just help us, like Rohil, this is for you, like help our audience to explore the different shades of colors, like of your sister. I can see there is a bonding between you and your sister. Everyone
Yeah,
having that kind of a bonding between the siblings. What kind of
yeah.
relation do you both carry with yourself?
We have a very funny relationship in the sense that things like if she needs my charger or something, I would probably not give it to her. या अगर ये ला दो, वो ला दो or something, वो नहीं. But अगर कुछ major, कुछ help चाहिए with something, कुछ if there's something to talk about, or या कुछ major वैसा कुछ है like school का या मेरा college का, तो तब we are there. But otherwise, yeah, पूरा time poking each other and मजाक उड़ाना, एक दूसरे को कुछ ना कुछ बोलना. It's
He can make her cry sitting in another room. That's real
That's one
caliber.
of, ma'am, this is one of the potential.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. वो दूसरे कमरे में आज नहीं बचपन से he could just sit दूर से make her cry without touching her, without doing it.
This is
And
one of
she's
the
got
talent.
talent. So
And this is one of the talent, ma'am.
yeah, true.
What do you think, Trisha? How you would like to explain the relationship between your brother? किस तरीके का
Um,
ये relationship है?
I think he got it pretty like in a nutshell. That's what it is. Just most of us, if I had to describe the part where we're not like serious, most of the time it's like, for example, he is very different from me in the sense that if we're watching movies, I prefer to talk a lot, and he yells at me if I talk. So we're very different in a lot of aspects, but in the important stuff, like you said, I think we're there for each other. Although I will say, he was saying now that he wouldn't do this for me or that for me. I would. If he asked for my charger or for me to get something for him, I would. He would not. I will say that.
Yeah, because it's more like he worships her brother in many ways. So थोड़ा सा पूजा मोड रहता है भैया का.
तो कभी तुम दोनों ने साथ में गुल्ली डंडा खेला है बीच रोड पे
नहीं.
पब्लिक
We
रोड
don't
पे
really play a
कभी
lot
नहीं
of
खेला
games.
ये city
कभी भी
you forget Anupam, they are city bred children. They've lost out on those things of gulli danda and kanche which you and I
एक्चुअली
have. Yeah.
एक्चुअली मैं वही पूछना चाह रही थी बिकॉज सी इफ आई कैन गिव एन एग्जांपल आई हैव 3 एल्डर ब्रदर्स और हम सभी में 2-2 साल का गैप है और जब हम लोग गेम खेला करते थे वी नेवर यूज्ड टू हैव इंडोर गेम्स वी जनरली यूज्ड टू हैव आउटडोर गेम्स और हमारे जो गेम्स होते थे हमारा गेम ही शुरू गुल्ली डंडा से होता था और देयर इज अ गेम व्हिच इज सो पॉपुलर और अगर मैं उसका नाम लेती हूँ तो मोस्ट ऑफ द लोगों को शायद वो पता भी नहीं होगा बट इट्स वेरी फनी उसका नाम होता था गुच्चुक डंडा It's
अच्छा.
one of the funniest it's one of the so entertaining game तो मैं वही जानना चाह रही हूँ और जब हम लोग इंडोर गेम्स खेलते थे तो इट्स ओनली एंड ओनली लूडो जहाँ पे हम एक दूसरे को स्लैप भी मारते हैं सब कुछ करते हैं इट्स जस्ट ऑल अबाउट टू हैविंग दोज फन्स बैक यू नो इन आवर मेमोरीज अभी भी जब हम ये सारे गेम्स खेलते भी हम उन सारी चीजों को कनेक्ट करते वी यूज्ड टू हैव इन आवर चाइल्डहुड डेज तो मैं ये समझने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि इन दोनों में क्या वो बॉन्डिंग है कि जहाँ पे लोग गुच्चू डंडा खेलते हैं गुल्ली डंडा खेलते हैं दोस आर वेरी फनी टू प्ले
Yeah,
अपॉन ऑन
so the difference that I see, like my brother and I would also play games like this, which were more outdoorsy. या तो घर में खेल रहे तो स्क्रैबल, लूडो, ये थे गेम्स. बट इन
Right.
लोग के केस more than indoor games, that technology and that TV
Hmm.
and that whatever those PSP games are the things
Hmm.
that they bond over. So those are the ones that they would be watching, with films which are of common interest and stuff. So,
Gen Z, ma'am. This is the Gen Z, I think.
yeah.
And this is what we're talking about a lot about most of them. They are more about tech savvy. Yes, we are dealing with all these things thanks to this corona and those lockdown periods. So, my question is to both of you, like, what are the major things you learn from your mother? And you are learning, keep on learning on all daily basis.
Your chance.
First, you, yeah, Risha.
Rusha.
Um, I'd say that I feel like I've really learned to be patient from my mom because I remember she's mentioned to us before that she feels like she's learned patience from having us, but it also goes the other way because I've really learned to be patient a lot with from mama. So it's that is a huge thing. Oh, and also another thing is that I feel like of course, I mean I've learned a lot of things from her. She's my mother, but
Right.
one
What about you, Rohit? ऐसा क्या है जो आप माँ से रोज सीख रहे हैं और अभी तक सीखते आए हैं?
Uh, I think it would be responsibility because mom has over time I have fallen into follow जो भी करना होता है घर पे जब करना होता है and ठीक से जैसे चीजें करनी होती है and in out of her interest I think अभी 1-2 साल से I've had a new interest in traveling so that also she has majorly mom loves to travel so वो भी
Yeah,
Okay.
Rohil is, like I said earlier, Rohil is extremely responsible, Anupam. And that is like a big blessing because I know that if I'm not around, he'll take care of things.
Yeah, and I make attempts to be responsible.
That's cherry on cake, actually.
वो थोड़ा attempts word पे underline है, bold है
हाँ,
वो
वो
high.
बोल्ड है. वो बोल्ड है.
With Rohil, the rule was, बचपन से rule was that अगर हम घर पे रहेंगे, then he can be nasty to his sister, like they can have their fights and everything. But when we are not at home, he would be the perfect brother, big brother, looking after the house and the sister and all. So that's worked very well between the two of them. Yeah,
Between two of them, actually.
and it's helped
So,
me immensely. Hmm.
okay, right. So, Rohil and Trisha, मैं पूछना चाहूंगी वो
Usha,
कौन सा टाइम था? उषा, तृषा, तृषा.
नहीं,
Just an hour, Rusha.
Rusha.
रुषा, रुषा.
हाँ.
ओके. हाँ, रोहिल एंड रुषा. मेरा सवाल है आप दोनों से. वो just a memory or an example I just want to ask when you feel like कि yes I'm starting connecting with my mother. Give me an example.
uh,
जब when you started feeling yeah, there's an emotional connect we are establishing, I can share those things which are not meant to share with anyone, but there is one person with whom I can share, and she is my mother.
Yeah, so sometimes अभी जैसे we have friends in school and college हमारे age के there are a lot of things that they will not understand and interpret whereas माँ will so वो चीज़ें मॉम से बात कर सकते हैं दोस्तों के बारे में कि अगर कुछ लड़ाई हुई तो क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए डेफिनेटली वो सब so basically guidance के लिए तो definitely reaching out to mom for help.
I actually have a specific thing. When I was a lot younger, like a couple, I don't know, maybe 5, maybe even 6 years back, I actually my friends, I wasn't very like feeling very great with them. So I told Mama about my friends and my experience with them, and that night, she actually like went and talked to their parents and everything. And that night, after that, I really felt like I could talk to Mama more about things. So that was nice.
So, ma'am,
Actually,
आपको definitely you feel definitely proud, and sometimes it's a very immense feeling, I can say, when your children came to you and discuss about, see, this is mom, what's happening with me, and indirectly they're asking for your guidance. I think that's the moment.
see, Anupam, to be honest, as I've been a very chilled out person as a person, okay. And once I had children, but while I was chilled out as a person, as a professional, and as a parent, I've been very super responsible. So that strain of responsibility has been very important to me. And I realized that however much you want to do things for your children, you have to let them fall and grow. So with Rusha, the incident she talked about was she was being bullied by these group of people, friends. And
Hmm.
for a long time she didn't talk about it. She kept telling her brother, but then he came and told me. Only when she told him did he first tell me, and then she spoke to me. So I was I was taken aback, but then I realized that I'm not the kind of parent who will go and protect my child in front of other friends. But the first time when this happened, I realized this was a place where I needed to step in. So there, it was required for me to go and speak to those parents of the bullies, and I did that. And I
Hmm.
think that did give her the confidence that जब डांटते हैं घर पे, we are also there to ensure that they are well protected and taken care of. I think that's what she's trying to
Hmm.
actually say. That's when she felt that she can come and talk about stuff. But to be honest, Anupam, as a mother, I have never, a lot of books are there कि ऐसे करके mothering करनी चाहिए ऐसे. I am not the type. I'm a very hands-on mother. जो मुझे उस टाइम में ठीक लगता है मैंने वो किया. Touch wood, they've shaped up pretty decently. The only thing, they may not be brilliant at work. They are not पढ़ाई focus नहीं है. मेरा भी वैसा नहीं था. They are above average children, and I would like them to be so. But the plus point is both of them have very good hearts, and I think ultimately we need good people in the world. So
True.
that is something
Actually.
I'm extremely proud of. That both of them have genuinely big hearts, and दोनों के दोनों, they feel for another person. Like, to give you a small example, बहुत छोटी थी ये. She must have been 3.5 years old, and she took some money from me and went to buy toffees. So when she came back, I said कि how much money is left, give it back. She said वो तो सब spend हो गया. So I said अच्छा क्या किया? So I said but you bought only this. She said नहीं, जो दीदी साथ में गई थी उनके दो बच्चे, उनके लिए भी खरीद के दिया. These are not things that you teach, but
Okay.
you love the fact that the child has that thought. Both of them are extremely caring about people. I see them with older,
Hmm.
my mother's
Actually.
generation, grand generation. उनको भी दरवाजा खोलना, उनको ensure करना they are sitting fine and stable, walking properly. I think those are very important things for children to be. And a lot of this generation does
Actually.
not have it. So I'm very blessed.
Right. And so, ma'am, I just want to one question, like, how did you manage, like, to ensure कि मेरी जो personal life है should be managed with my professional life too, my family and my professional goals I should be taken care at the same moment of time.
Hmm. So professionally, if I'm not happy, I will not be a good mother. That is something that I realized very long ago. Uh, a lot of times people told me, why don't you quit work to be with Rohil? That time there was only Rohil. He was just 15 months old when I moved to Delhi with him. And my husband was working full time and I was working full time, and I used to leave him in a daycare. I'm grateful to those two ladies who used to run the daycare. They took care of him in a way that maybe I also couldn't have. गायत्री मंत्र सिखाना, हनुमान चालीसा सिखाना, सब इसने उन्हीं से सीखा था. But I believe that the world runs on asking for help, and it's extremely important for young mothers especially to remember to
Hmm.
ask for help from anyone. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा अनुपम, कोई मना कर देगा ना कि मैं नहीं करूंगा, आई कांट हेल्प यू, मैं नहीं कर सकती, वट
Hmm.
एवर. बट अगर आपने पूछा ही नहीं तो उन सामने वाले को पता ही नहीं कि आपको हेल्प चाहिए.
Hmm.
So I have always gone out of my way to help and to ask for help. So asking
Absolutely.
for help has really helped me balance my work and my children. So there have been tough times when I have the
Hmm.
child go to an art class, गाड़ी ड्राइवर सडनली गायब, एंड जैसे जाना था वो होगा नहीं. आई एम इन ऑफिस, आई कांट गेट आउट, आई हैव समथिंग अर्जेंट टू फिनिश. आई हैव रिक्वेस्टेड अ कलीग कि कैन यू टेक माय कार, गो ड्रॉप माय सन हियर और माय डॉटर हियर. एंड उन्होंने कभी ना बोला है. अगर एक ने ना बोला है तो 5 ने हाँ बोला है, you know. So it's been a very, I think it's been fine, and day on day it's been a good experience.
Very nice to hear this, ma'am. Like we are learning actually on daily basis, and
Yes,
till
yes.
today we are learning. Or either it could be failures, or either it could be our success. Everything we are learning on daily basis. So my question is to both of you. Like you guys are sitting quite like from last couple of minutes. My question is like कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके thoughts clash होते हैं मम्मी के thought process से and you are facing challenges, how you guys are tackle with them? Like there must be differences in the opinions. Rusha, you first.
Um, yeah, we definitely have different opinions sometimes, and we definitely like fight about them. We talk like a lot of the times when we have different opinions, we do end up being a little loud about them. We fight about them a little bit, argue. But I feel like generally we tend to reach a compromise, even though a lot of the times I do lose the fight because I'm not good at debating. But that's my issue. Generally we do tend to reach some kind of compromise and understand that, oh, this is what you mean and this is what I mean. And even if we don't understand the other perspective, we're able to respect that, oh, you have this perspective and I have this, that's fine.
और आप अपने हथियार वहीं गिरा देते हो फिर क्योंकि आर्गुमेंट नहीं करने इसलिए
नहीं, she debates quite a bit, but somewhere, like I said, the final line is I'm your mother.
हाँ आई एम योर मदर फिर आप अपना ब्रह्मास्त्र यूज करते हैं आई एम योर मदर
Yeah. Rohit will have a different.
So जब clashes होते हैं तब I think it's just important. वही तब लगता है कि ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, सामने वाले को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. But then ये भी सोच सकते हैं as a third person, अगर situation देखा जाए like ऊपर से थोड़ा, if you move away from the situation and see, you will see that there is a reason why both people are saying what they are saying. Like अपना अपना जो reason होता है वो अपने लिए काफी important होता है, and उसी वजह से वो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो बस उसी में वर्कआउट तो हो जाता है एट द एंड, थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके एज रूट्स साइड.
इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आई लाइक टू से समथिंग, एंड दैट इज फॉर रोहिल स्पेसिफिकली. The gyan that I get from Rohil is gyan that I don't get from even grown up adult friends or relatives. Okay. He has a very strong sense of justice, and he does come up with you know situation को समझ के उसके ऊपर एक he comes up with an answer which later on if you think is very logical. तो इसके साथ ऐसी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स बहुत कम होती है because he always has a solution. He comes up with a logical solution to a problem. And believe me, in the last 7.5 years that we three have been living without my husband with us, Rohil has been a sort of guide to me. I mean, I discuss everything with him, and he does come up with solutions which are very practical and logical.
That's so inspiring and what to know about this, I mean, Rohil.
He
Like,
happens to be a counselor for all his friends, by the way. पूरे दुनिया को काउंसल करता है.
that is what I'm saying, ना मैम कि he has some specific potential that he can जब ये रुषा को दूसरे कमरे में बैठ के रुला सकता है So there are another creative things he must be having with himself.
Right.
So ma'am, कभी कभी आपको don't you feel jealous कि my both of the kids are so tech savvy, they are so into generation which we call Gen Z basically, कि they must be aware about multiple apps, they must be aware of so many I could say moving away towards the technology or digitization and so many things. Don't you have that jealous feeling with yourself like you can't imbibe the quality your children carry?
See, as a person, I am a very, like I said, a happy-go-lucky person. तो मेरे को ना jealousy किसी से नहीं होती है. I mean, I guess the only person I would be jealous of who's driving this fancy car which I want to go and off-road. That kind of a guy I may be jealous of for 1 minute. Think कि अच्छा, I wish I could be doing that. Or I may be jealous of you कि biking कर रहे हो, जब मर्जी कर रहे हो. But that's that's where it stops. So I won't say I'm jealous, but yes, I'm quite impressed that kids this generation and both of them also can take on to things so easily. जो मुझे समझने में घंटे लग जाते हैं. मैं Apple TV 50 बार I've been taught how to operate it. I can't operate it. So I'm a little non-savvy as far as technology goes. But otherwise, like Rusha has a very thing about watching K drama and shows for hours. Like she can sit 6 hours at a stretch and keep watching shows. Now that is something that makes me upset and angry. Now that's not a jealous point, but that's like, why and how can you do this? Waste of time.
Hmm,
वो
waste of
difference तो है.
time.
That's a typical thing that happens to all of us, I think.
Right.
So
So, Risha, I just want to ask one thing, like who happened to be your best friend, like your mother or brother?
Um,
she's got.
my grandmother.
She took the safe one.
My grandmother's great. She cooks for
Grandmother.
me.
Okay,
And she
that's
bakes
why
with you.
only.
She does that too.
Okay, apart from these things, don't you find a best friend in your brother or mother?
I don't. I don't really. I mean, this isn't really the point of the question, but I don't like the idea of best friends. I like them both. Family. They're great.
And what about you, Rohit? Who happens to be your best friend in your mother or Risha?
They're both great in their own ways in various situations.
Diplomatic
Situations.
answer. This is totally
Diplomatic.
diplomatic answer.
Exactly. Exactly. Very, very. covered.
Yeah, so you need to answer this question, Rohit, or either
No,
a grandmother. Again.
that
But
All
हाँ
right.
ये है
Moving on.
कि when we talk about traveling and all, he's now got into the that
Red
excitement
zone.
of wanting
Yeah.
to travel. Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm glad he's trekking alone and stuff like that. That's nice.
That's good actually. One has to change for growth, and this is something very important. So, ma'am, this is my another question. I just not a question. I just want to understand one thing. Like, how since you are working also, you are handling some household chores also at the same moment of time. How you navigate both of the children into their studies? Since Risha is a teenager, so there are so many things you have to be kept in mind. This is something you have to focus upon, and this is you should not to be focused upon. How you navigate all those things, ma'am?
Um, See, as far as the internet monitoring goes, I have trusted, I have chatted with them and explained to them the pluses and the minuses of being on the internet and being on wrong sites. And I think I have never tried to control their internet behavior. Uh, so that I think that trust has worked well for us. कि दोनों के दोनों दे डू वॉच शोज लंबा लंबा नाइट आउट भी होता है कभी फुल नाइट बैठ के कुछ शोज देख लिए but they're not watching the wrong thing, and that is something that's good. Other than that, navigating them on for their academic stuff, uh, as I said, that they are both not padhaku bacche, but
Mm-hmm.
they know what they are doing. Like Rohil, would you want to talk about your studies ka pattern, class 11 onwards, what all happened?
Yeah, so in class 11, I had chosen the science stream, and then by the end of the year, I think I realized that it wasn't my cup of tea. So
That's
when I
not
switched,
your cup of tea. Okay.
yeah, absolutely. So I switched to
Yeah.
commerce. So that was much better. I could handle it much better. And in fact, a similar thing happened in college because I had gone into do economics from Symbiosis in Pune. But even I wasn't enjoying the course. It wasn't fun. So but I started researching as to what things might interest me, and that's how I landed in journalism and mass communication.
And
So that was some, yeah, ma'am.
the main thing was in Royal's case, whenever I told him कि science छोड़ दो, change करो, he said नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा, I'll continue. But end of 11th, he himself took a decision to change to commerce. Again, he wanted to do economics in Simbi, Pune. He went there himself. After 1 year, he himself came back and said, I don't want to do it anymore. So a lot of people have told me इतने आसानी से कैसे अलाउ कर दिया, रोकना था, थोड़ा पुश करते कर लेता. I don't believe in it. I always feel that there's a path for everybody. आज वो थोड़ा मुश्किल से ढूंढने में मतलब मुश्किल हो रही है ढूंढने में, इवेंचुअली वो मिल जाएगा. I do worry as a parent, but otherwise I don't worry. I mean, it's a mix. Like I worry about some things that safety hona chahiye and things like that, but I don't worry that they'll do well in life. That I'm sure that they'll find their own path. So education
Actually,
is more about them doing a lot of other things and exploring their abilities than sitting and reading books and getting 95, 99%. वैसे 95% मिल गया इसको भी 10th में, बट हमें खुद को नहीं पता कैसे मिलता.
मुझे भी
ये
नहीं
तो
पता
मैम
था.
ऐसा क्वेश्चन है ना, लाइक ये 95, आई डोंट नो कैसे आ जाते हैं बच्चों के, बट वी ट्राई टू चेज दैट रेस आल्सो, बट लेट्स सी, इट्स जस्ट अ काइंड ऑफ अ साइलेंट मंत्रा. आज तक हम समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but we'll try to find out the solution one day. So ma'am, one thing, like the way you said you never pushed out your kids to, you know, to force for a one single goal forcefully eventually. So how you shape their attitudes? Like you spotted potential in your kid, that's very clear. But to how shape their attitudes?
See, I think an attitude of a child is comes from the environment, and the environment contributes a lot to their being the people they are and becoming the people they are. So, if you allow them, see, you can only direct them a little by telling them ये सही है ये गलत है. But ultimately जो जो कैंडी पिक करेगा बच्चा वो उन्हीं के ऊपर है. So as far as attitude goes, both of them, as I told you, that they are very adaptable. They accept people. They are not judgmental. So I think these are things which छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जोड़ के पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप बनाती हैं किसी की. So that's how it is.
Actually, ma'am, I can give you one my own example. I never wanted to be a commerce student. I always wanted to be, you know, to pursue my further studies for medical and to be a doctor one day. But something happened, and my dad came to me and he said, "Ki what I can see the potential. You need to manage the things properly." And my even elder brother too have just decided to ki tum commerce lo. And I was in shock for this decision for approximately 1 year कि मैंने कॉमर्स लिया, बट नाउ आई कैन कोरिलेट ऑल दोस थिंग्स कि whatever happens happens for a reason. If your elder ones are choosing something for you, there's a reason, there is a experience behind all those strategies and, you know, the path of working together. and I'll be thankful for them entire whole my life for this beautiful shock. And yes, my another question goes to Risha. Like, I can explain this in a very different way, Risha. Like, we generally know that small successes are sometimes more important, right? To motivate one. What do you think? Like, what are those small successes which actually motivates you?
Oh, I think a lot of the times small things like one small thing that motivates me a lot is being able to do things by myself. For example, something that um, recently I took up a hobby, and I don't have a person who's teaching me. I'm just learning from the internet. For example, that just being able to do something by myself and being able to do it well is even like small things, just the basics, makes me feel really motivated to keep on with it and keep being able to do it. So one small thing is like being able to do things by myself.
Voiceover.
Other than that, I also think that it's important to uh, what do you call it? The thing to actually do things. A lot of the times, I find it difficult for me to do things because I procrastinate a lot with my phone or just reading. Sometimes it can be a lot of things, but I tend to procrastinate, and sometimes it's great to just when I actually sit down and do something, even for like half an hour or complete like a small chunk of my work, it like that small like little push gives me a lot of motivation to keep going. So being able to do things by yourself and just doing small things at a time, it helps a lot.
That's so inspiring to hear you, Risha. मतलब मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आती है just keep on saying मैं चुप ना करूँ मैं बस सुनती जाऊँ the way you are I mean exploring the things individually or the way you are talking now. Sometimes it feels good कि बस सुनते रहो interrupt मत करो and बस सुनते रहो.
See?
Ma'am, one more thing, like in today's world, people, want to design an intervention to learn from the roots. Since you have three generations with you, so how you connect this with your life
From to learn from, I think I lost you,
from the
Anupam.
roots? Again, I'm just repeating my questions again, ma'am. Like in today's world, people generally would like to design an intervention to learn from their roots, right, ma'am? So
So,
I just want to know how you connect this thing with your life.
um, so I, so my mother has been an inspiration, and so has my grandmother and great grandmother. I mean, I see my great grandmother, my par nani, as my idol in life.
Hmm.
I was very lucky that she has attended my wedding also. So she was there till 2000 August. And I have some of my best memories of that lady being an iron-willed lady. In those times, उनका नजरिया, उनका आगे अलाउ करना, बच्चों को बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने का. I think that was a very big thing. So as far as people like her are concerned, who I have had the opportunity of growing up around and with, and genetically wired from there also. My nanny was also a super strong woman, and so is my mother. So I think these things have come genetically also, and seeing them around me doing the right thing always and standing by for what is right. My father was a man who had a terrible temper, but he was so good at anything he did. He was a brilliant student, he was a brilliant sportsman, a musician, and a great officer. He was an Indian Air Force officer. I lost him in January this year, and he's been, professionally, I would say he's the one who always told me that if everybody says you are wrong, and there is a lot of protest against whatever you're trying to implement, means you are somewhere very right. And I think that has stood me in very good stead, because जब भी आप कुछ करने जाते हो तो आपको बहुत push and resistance मिलता है कि ये नहीं करने देंगे and things like that. And in being in HR, I'm sure you will also agree. any policy you try to drive in, be it with the management or with the employees, you always thought of कि अच्छा ये मैनेजमेंट की साइड से काम कर रही है, अच्छा ये एम्प्लॉय की तरफ से काम कर रही है. So you're always on the seesaw where you're trying to balance. And I learned from my dad that if you are right, stand there and dig your heels in and fight back. And I think that has really helped me in my career and even in personal life. I do not go and I mean, it's funny to say this, but though I'm a very vocal person and I will speak for what is right, I may not fight for my own rights easily, but I will go and fight for a dukhyara admi ka rights, first person to go and stand up.
Hmm.
You know,
Hmm.
so those are things
Hmm.
that I think are stuff that I've learned from my parents, my grandparents, and that's how it is. As far as seeing my kids, I feel that इनसे इतना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. A lot of times Rusha has these wisdom की चीजें which she comes up with, and I wonder कि oh my god, ये तो अधेड़ उम्र की बुद्धि है, तो कहाँ से आ रही है? But
That
I
is what I just said, man. कि मैं बस सुनती जाऊँ, ऋषा बोलती जाए. We hardly find this kind of, I could say, empathy or compassionate level in a kid actually. That is why I just mentioned ki Rusha, you just keep on saying I'm listening to you, and but it also very good. Actually, it depends upon kind of a company you have. Actually, I believe, ma'am, you have been surrounded with the people. It totally depend on that personalities also.
yeah,
The values you are getting in your family, the generation which you are being setting up down. All these things are depend on those, I could say, principles, wherein you get all these ideas, how much focus you are towards your goal, how much you are clear towards your vision. This All these things are connected with, I can say, the way she or another people are expressing the thoughts.
true. And like I said, when I grew up, I was, we grew up, tum bhi Fauji beti ho, I'm also a Fauji daughter. We never knew the difference between a boy and a girl. We
No,
were told,
not at
"अरे,
all.
इसको करने हैं." भाई को भी जो काम कराते थे, बहन को भी वही काम कराते थे. So there was no differentiation. So we were blessed to have teachers who always, ensured that they treated us fairly, and we had parents also who treated us fairly. So all those things today I find it very difficult when people say girls, boys, differentiation. I don't think I faced it. As a kid, we've not faced it at all. So it's
No,
been an
actually not at all. Yes, I mean not at all. I can give you an example. अगर आपको 4 बजे सुबह उठना है, तो ये 4 बजे का जो रूल है, this is meant for everybody in the family, either a male, either a female, or a senior, junior person. Similarly, actually, it totally depends. As I mentioned, the values you carry from your roots, the same way you are going to carry forward to your next generations also, and it's actually imbibe in your behavior. And being a person from defense background, it's something like, I can say, a blessing, like wherein you get connected with the discipline, wherein you get connected with the overall maturity level, I could say. And I think you can connect this thing easily with these transactions.
true. Though my children now say that आप फौज में बड़े हुए हैं, हम नहीं हुए, अब छोड़ दो हम लोग को, because सब कुछ का इतने rules, regulations, they have their own way that they've grown up. But yes, the armed forces did help us to adapt much better than people who've grown up in one place can, you know.
Actually,
Yeah.
so moving ahead, Rohil, I want to ask one thing from you. Like, would you like to share that one, any experience like which impacted your personality? Any incident which left an impact framing your personality after your mother, like watching whatever the challenges she is facing these days, whatever the experience she's been with us.
I think it would be situations where she's headstrong, whereas when there is a problem, just facing the problem, pushing through it, and not just sitting idle thinking कि अरे क्या करें, but actually having the courage and the thought of how to get through it. And ऐसे situations तो सबके ही आते रहते हैं from time to time. हमारे भी like everybody else. We face these situations, and so does mom. She comes home sometimes अपने office के किस्से सुनाने, and उसमें sometimes we try to think कि अच्छा ये है, and then she tells us what she's thinking of doing or what she thinks might be good for the office and for everyone. वैसे yeah.
Right, right. So, ma'am, do you think like have you ever been felt like कि while holding the responsibility on your shoulders,
Yeah, I think I could make out your question, not too great audibility, but yeah, I'm a
can you
very
repeat the question
positive
again?
person. Yeah, that's okay. So I think life is a gift to all of us. खुश रहोगे तभी आगे बढ़ेगा और चलेगा. So I don't see life like a responsibility as such, but I like to enjoy it day on day. And I really wish and hope that my children also learn to live through life like that. Every day, if you live it well, that's a good life led. So,
I can say you are so chilling mother. Like you don't
yeah, I
bound your
think
children
I
so
would
much.
say I'm a chill mother. But हाँ मेरे को सफाई चाहिए मेरे को टाइमिंग का थोड़ा इशू है those things are there but otherwise a chilled out mother.
Actually, so that goes to sister actually. Right. My question is, you're born free or just been bonded with the boundaries of mothers?
Free child.
I think that I'm again, Mama's very generally very liberal about quite a few things. Again, there are a few things I disagree with her on, like which are necessary, but I still disagree because I don't like it. For example, I'm not allowed to go out late at night, even though it's so nice sometimes. A lot of times I'm not allowed to go to certain places because it's not appropriate or not right or whatever. So that even though that's horrible, I'm not able to go. It makes sense because of underlying circumstances.
18, 18, 21, depending on which city you are in. You
Yeah.
can.
So, why? Other than that, I think Mama's fairly liberal about things. Like, for example, 2 months ago, I wanted to go bald because I thought that, oh, my hair is like very bad nowadays. So I shaved all my hair off, and Mama was very supportive of it. And she even helped me donate the hair that I was able to a good charity and everything. So she was very supportive of it. We had a person come home and do it. So again, Mama's very liberal in that sense compared to some other people whose parents aren't like that.
I can say a
Anupam,
huge good personality. Yes, ma'am.
Anupam, thank you for getting me a certificate of a good mom. So,
No, you are, ma'am. I can see, I can relate this with your words, the way you are supporting your children, the way you just made them bond free, connecting with my question, the way they have the creative minds. Actually, the Gen Z is all about these things, and this is very hardly to find out in person away. So, what is I just ask one thing, ma'am, like what makes you think in this direction, like that I need to do being a parent?
I think you muted yourself.
yeah, you got muted. Anupam mute हो गया.
I just said कि post my question, I just muted myself.
Well,
मेरा question ये था मैम that you are being so supportive towards your kid, and I just want to know what makes you to think in this direction, like कि हाँ this is what I need to do being a parent.
like I said, I don't really think about parenting. It happens quite naturally. And I would like them to be my friends. And I think I've done a little bit of work in that respect and achieved a little in that respect. I hope it will become more friendship than parent child kind of a thing further as we grow older. Uh, I I would love them to explore their abilities to the fullest. Uh, and they know that I am always there behind them. I have their back. So those are things that I think are important. They should know that they have somebody behind them, and that they have me is of comfort, both to them and to me. At the same time, I would like them to fly as high as they wish to.
Actually, so ma'am, it was quite inspiring to to listen about mother daughter and their different perspective with their thought processes. Would you like to sum up the closing words, like in your own way? What have you been thinking so far?
Um, would you like to say something?
I feel
For
this talk
final
has been
sentence.
really nice. That we've been, your questions were really insightful and nice. We got to think and answer them very well. And yeah, I think it's important for children and parents these days to understand each other to the best of their abilities and work out and extend olive branches so that they know what they are feeling towards each other and about other things as well.
What do you think, Risha?
Uh, I think the same. This talk's been really interesting. It's been fun to listen to their perspectives on things. I mean, we do talk in general, but these questions and like specifically these questions, we don't really talk about that much. So it's very interesting to examine that generational differences.
No, actually, that's so inspiring to hear three of you. That's quite. I have learned one, I could say, potential from Rohit, how to make someone's cry sitting in another room. I definitely learned this as much as I can. I definitely consult Sucheta ma'am about this. This is one of the potential I just want to develop in coming days. And thank you so much, Sucheta ma'am, for giving
Thank you.
your valuable time, and looking forward to hear from you in coming future.
Sure.
And thanks
Thanks
to
so much.
both of you as well.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you.
And a
you.
big shout out to Women with Wings and Shefali for
Yeah.
doing brilliant work. Thanks,
Thank you,
Anupam.
Shifali.
It's
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
you. Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.